Since the vertex is either the highest or lowest point on a parabola, the vertex represents maximum or minimum of the function. Every quadratic function will have either a maximum or minimum depending on which direction it opens. Example 4, consider the quadratic function f of x equals negative 3x squared plus 6x minus 13. In A, we are determining if the function has a minimum or maximum value. To do that, you want to look at the A value and determine which way our function opens. Okay, our A is negative 3, and if A is negative, that tells me I have a downward opening parabola, and so the vertex would be a maximum. B says, find the minimum or maximum value and determine where it occurs. Okay, well, we have a maximum, and the minimum or maximum of a quadratic function always occurs at the vertex, so we need to find the vertex. It's in general form, and so we would want to use the vertex formula. X equals opposite of B, that's negative 6, over 2 times A, which is negative 3. So this is negative 6 over negative 6, which is positive 1. The y-coordinate, negative 3 times 1 squared, plus 6 times 1, minus 13. Okay, so negative 3 plus 6 minus 13 is negative 10. So we get that the maximum is negative 10 at x equals 1. And part C, identify the domain and range. Any quadratic function, no square roots, no denominator, so domain will always be all real numbers. Okay, and the range, we have to think about the graph of this parabola. It has a maximum y value of negative 10, and it goes downward further in both directions. So smallest value, there is not one, negative infinity. The highest that the parabola ever gets is negative 10. So there's the range of our function.